Hey, my name is Markus Rimmel. I'm the founder and managing director of Digitalitum. We focus on digitalization tools for manufacturing in the AR, VR and IoT space. I'm based out of Atlanta, Georgia, originally from Germany and living for 15 years in the US. The Reliability Leadership Foundation works on a lot of different things, from sustainability to Maximo implementation to uptime elements, and I'm focusing on the Digitalization Consortium. The most fulfilling work for RLF is working with industry specialists together and be on that know-how level and hear how others do things and learn from that. That's part one. Part two is the whole networking part, getting invited to these great conferences, talk there about what we're doing at RLF in our projects, the books we write and stuff like that, and the network we're getting out of that, and the learning of the content what is provided at these conferences. It's always about digitalization and the latest and greatest. Of course, it's all about the network, the relationships you have for either business opportunities or just the questions you have. A lot of times I reached out to RLF members with specific questions I had, which I didn't know an answer to, and asked the specialist for that and got help and got the problem solved. And I think that's what the RLF is also about, this connectivity of the industry specialists and that network about it. As we have all these different groups, consortiums or VSICs in the RLF, find the topic you're interested in, sustainability, digitalization, uptime elements, and so on and so on. Contact the co-facilitator or the facilitators there and just get into it. It's easy. I think the prerequisite is you have to be a CRL, certified reliability leader, because we're all reliability leaders. And then you just have to bring your time, as it is all a volunteer. It's about 4 to 5 hours a month with the bi-weekly meetings and the extra work you do there, and then you're in. My advice for people to get into digitalization is, first of all, be open-minded, be open to learn. There's a lot of content out there. I think LinkedIn is a great source. Connect with leaders in that field and follow their posts. Yes, so we did already a lot of great work. We put the Purple Passport together and the implementation guide version 2.0. As for the implementation guide, they want to do now a new version every year. And for next year, we are putting more content into implementation, strategy, framework, data governance, and all these good topics.